Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. This is gonna be another unboxing video. I'm recently bought my new AX Wi-Fi router. It is not AC but AX Wi-Fi router. It's the latest greatest Wi-Fi router that's currently available on the market. I'm planning to replace my older Wi-Fi router on top of my managed switch, and it's super slow. I had it for a while, and I'm trying to connect it, simplified my network server by connecting directly to this AX Wi-Fi router and remove my managed switch from Cisco. I have DS1517 Plus and my Dell servers T4200, and connected as well with my PS4 Pro and my smart TV to play games and stuff. And let's get to it. For the bill and some, I don't know what is in there. It's RT-AX88U. Look at that. It's the smart Wi-Fi router, and it's the fastest Wi-Fi router available on the market. I'm so excited, and let's get into it. Let's peel it off. Oh, it's quite heavy. I cannot rotate it with my hand. It was shiny outside, so yeah. So from the back, that's the detail you can get, and yeah, from the side. But let's open it. I'll put the top aside. Some advanced helper, some documentation in there, and there it is. It's been packaged very nicely, and let's just lift this one up, put this baby aside for a bit. See what's inside. That's that, and 4 antenna and some power brick with one RG45 cable. It's quite small though. I thought it's gonna be slightly bigger. Let's put the box aside for a moment, and we'll try to see, and let's see if I could peel it off. I think I have to peel it from the back. Oh, it's actually from the left first. One, two, three, I'm so hyped with this router. and I think I'm trying gonna do the speed test. So build this one to see how fast this router is with my client. I have a ThinkPad 48 T48S, I believe, and I'm so excited to see how this gonna perform with this Wi-Fi router. Here's some light indicator over there, and some minor and some of the board on the back side, and from the antenna. Yeah, okay, see you next time, guys, and we'll see each other soon.